Greetings, friends. Taylor here. I bought some stuff on Amazon. I wanted to show off what I got. Got my little box here. Just realized I don't have my knife handy. Oh, wait. No, never mind. Got it right here. Handy dandy knife. Now, I already did the first cut here. Just wanted to cut straight to, the good stuff here. We got a little thing here. Let's see what it is. Let's see if this looks like it does in the pictures. Right? Yeah, do you want to come do this towards camera? That more satisfying? I don't know. Where's the angle? Oh, there's like no good way to do that, is there? Alright, well we're just gonna do it this way. I think I need a sharper knife. Alright, we're just gonna kinda... Ooh. This is not quite going as I'd hoped here. There we go. Now it's getting a little bit of bite. I think I need to use a better knife. I seriously think I need to use a better knife. This is not smart at all to do it this way. Not smart at all to do it this way. Oh, it's making like a sawing motion. Oh man. There we go. Hopefully I didn't wreck the contents. Because that would wreck the content. Bad joke. Moving on. Alright. Ooh. It has a cord. That might be a giveaway. Alright, let's see what we got here. Ooh. I'm not gonna lie, that actually looks better than in the picture. Like, the pictures I saw were kind of a weird looking orange, but this is actually really nice, and I would say that matches my computer, and it... Honestly, it looks almost exactly... Well, it's a little different. Looks very similar to my current mouse, but, ooh, that feels nice. This is how clicky it is. I mean, my other one's nice and clicky, too. Oh, hopefully I don't stop the recording. But, alright, that's nice. I'm looking forward to trying that out. It's a little funny in hand. I think the other one's a little better fit to the hand, but I don't know. This is pretty good too. Yeah, I will admit the other one is just. The other one has like has an extra groove to go between the ring finger and the index finger. This one does not. This one just kind of rests, but you know what? I don't care. This is great. I like it. I like it. Yeah. The other one is super comfortable, I'm not gonna lie. But this one is... I don't know. I don't know how... Like, I really do like that. I do like that groove. I didn't realize how much I like that groove. I mean, on this computer, this is pretty nice, but this just kind of fits the look. And it fits the hand really nicely. But yeah, no, look at that. We got a fun little gaming mouse. It was on sale. It kind of matches some of the other stuff I have. All right, we got another fun thing in this box here. Let's just kind of throw that over there somewhere. That was a good throw, right? Here we go. We got something from MK Star. Does MK Star require cutting boxes too? Oh, maybe not. Alright, let's see what... Ooh. Hello. I hope that's not important. Alright, let's see. I was getting a little tired of the keyboard that I have. And yeah, at this rate, you can probably figure out this is a keyboard. I was kind of tired of the keyboard that I had. Because the way I have my computer set up, I kind of need my keys to be lit up. The keyboard I have does not light up keys at all. So I needed a replacement. I needed something that lights up and... Ooh. Yeah, no, this is actually very nice. Look at that. Now this is not quite as it was pictured. What is this button? I don't know. What are these little guys here? Let's get that nice and towards camera. I don't know what that is. But feels nice. It feels nice and clicky. Nice and clicky. Now, the reason I got this, the dumb, obvious reason I got this, it has some nice orange keycaps. That's probably what that little tool that I dropped is for. It's probably for replacing the keys, and I'm absolutely going to do that. Am I going to... Let's put this over here. Put that... There we go. Yeah. Let's move that, and let's put that right here. Nice wired keyboard that lights up, and I'm really looking forward to giving that a go. And the orange... Look at that. Those orange keys, I would say, very nicely match the orange mouse and the other orange goodness I have around here. I'm going to have to test this thing, but I like it. That is, I want to say, a 75% keyboard. That's this video. Thanks for tuning in. Farewell, friends.